Okay, last thing for our first set of talks on exponents. Exponents with just 10 as a base. The 10's, oh, they're a special case. They're actually really kind of cool. It makes it easy. There's a nice little trick. So, when 10 is raised to a power, you can just move the decimal. If that power that 10 is raised to is positive, you're going to move the decimal to the right. If the power that it's raised to is negative, you're going to move the decimal to the left. Now this is only when the base is 10, okay? Special case, only when base is 10. Okay, so that means, let me just show you some examples. I'll just uncover the whole thing because it's annoying me. So 10 raised to the first power. Well, where does my decimal start? It would start right here by 1. If it raised to the first power, I move it over. And 10 to the first power is equal to 10. Well, that's good because anything to the first power is itself. So that works. So if I have 10 raised to the second power, well, here's my 1. And if I move it 2 places, 1, 2, I end up with 100. If I have 10 raised to the third power, I move that decimal 1, 2, 3, and I end up with 10. I end up with 1,000. Now, you also might notice when this is 10 raised to the first power, look, how many zeros are there? 1. When it's 10 raised to the second power, how many zeros are there? 2. When it's 10 raised to the third power, how many zeros are there? 3. So if it was 10 raised to the fifth power, what would this guy be? Pause it and take a guess. Now, if it's negative, we said it goes to the left. Positive to the right, negative to the left. So if I have 10 raised to the negative first power, if I start right here at 1 and I go backwards 1 spot, I end up with 0.1. If I have 10 raised to the negative 2, I start with the decimal right by the 1 and I go 1, 2. That's 0.01. If it's 10 raised to the negative 3, I'm going to start right here at this decimal and go 1, 2, 3, 0.001. So if you notice, there's a similar, little different pattern though. 10 raised to the negative first, no zeros between the decimal and the number. 10 raised to the negative second, one zero between the 1 and the decimal. 10 raised to the negative third, 2 zeros between the 1 and the decimal. So go ahead, I want you to try. What would be 10 raised to the negative sixth power? Go ahead and pause it and try. All right, so remember, positive moves it to the right, negative moves it to the left. And now you should be ready to start on your homework.